Let's make Tamari almonds. You need 200 grams of almonds and 80 milliliters Tamari. You can also use soy sauce too, but I use Tamari. Set your fan oven to 160 or 320 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 5 minutes. Take them out of the oven and stir and spread them out. Then put them back in the oven for another 5 minutes. Take them out, stir and spread them out again, and then put them back in the oven for another 2 minutes. And you're going to keep doing this until all of the almonds are dry. So just keep checking them. If you see that they're still wet, like this one, chuck them back in for another 2 minutes until they're all dry, like this. Unstick them from the pan and then let them cool. But try not to eat them all first. And that's it. 2 ingredients and you've got yourself Tamari almonds. And remember, enjoy. Head over to eatplants.com for more recipes. Cheers.